Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Random PH Dude. O di ba? Pangalawang video of the day. Ay, actually hindi pala. Kasi yung kanina, ano yun, January 21 pa yun. Ngayon 22 na. So, anyway, since nag-react tayo kay Darren and more on dance reaction yun. So, syempre magpapa-isa ba si Mama Sarah? And also binasa ko rin dun sa comments nung kay Darren, may nag-request ng Sangria Wine and No Tears Left to Cry ni Mama Sara. So, ayun ang i-react natin ngayon, guys. Okay. Ang video is two parts siya. Una, yung dance medley and then pangalawa yung Sangria Wine. So, sa video na to, dalawa yung video na sasagasaan natin. Okay. And shoutout pala kay Mr. Willard Bernante. Sa'yo ang gagamitin kong video. I hope it's okay. Ang name ng video is Sarah Geronimo Dance Medley. This is Me Concert Dubai. Uploaded September 22. Alright guys, so let's go. I'm excited. Mapapasayaw kaya tayo dito, guys? Or may hilo muna tayo bago tayo mapasayaw? Go Mama Sarah! Hindi pa nagsisimula, parang patay na ata ako ah. Ano ba to? Ulitin nga natin yun. Ang sexy. Nakakasar. Yes. Medyo imposibleng gayahin natin yung mga dance moves sa pambabae. Uy! Sino nakapansin nun? Mas maganda yung pitik ni Mama Sarah kaysa dito sa dancer na to and dito sa dancer na to. Ulitin natin. Tingnan nyo yung kamay. Boom! Compare nyo. Boom! Boom! Iba talaga ang swag. Alright.
Silence.
Nice. Iba talaga si Mama Sarah. Yun. Naka-enjoy naman to. Uy, nabubad na. Patay na. Uy, ano to? Alright. Next video. Ito na yung kasunod. Nakaka-enjoy naman. Ang oras natin, 2:23 AM. Tapos nagagaganito ako. Tuloy natin.
Move my body like it is a bite. Truly, he's all that I got.
Iba rin eh, no? Iba rin si Baby Sara. Pagkatapos sumayaw, tsaka kumanta. Kung iba yan, kumanta muna bago sumayaw. Tapos change clothes para makapagpahinga konti. Iba talaga. Kompleto ang bitamina at sustansya nito. Walang hapo-hapo sa boses.
Somebody with her off problem, and she's so relentless, so nothing can stop her. Never left the city, but she's where she's a yardie. It's so awesome how she moved her body. She do the sangria wine, moving side to side, front and behind. Sangria wine.
Mama Sara, ba't ka bumubuka-buka ka dyan? Isa pa nga. Bawal yan, pero inulit ko yun. Sumasakit ulo ko.
Wait a minute. Wait a second.
Ay, hindi ko na kaya yan.
Wait a minute.
Come on, guys! Time to party! I'm picking it up. Now that I'm living, so we turn it up. Hey, we turn it up. Right on the board, I like it. No matter how bad who tries it, we're out here vibing. We're vibing. You're the one that's raining down. Stop now. Here's some now, shut your mouth. And if you don't know it, then you know it, baby. Right now, I'm gonna tell you why. I wanna be like all the time. And you know Jesus to cry. So I'm picking it up. I'm picking it up. Oh, I just want you to come with me. We on another mentality. And you know Jesus to cry. So I'm picking it up. Oh yeah, picking it up. Oh, I just want you to come with me. We on another mentality. And you know
Saan ka pa? So after niya sumayaw, kumanta. Pagdating dito, itataas pa niya. Ano, na-bored lang ba? Parang na-bored lang si Mama Sara. Taas pa natin. Oh shoot, matatapos na yung video.
Picking it up. Nothing I'm living, so we turn it up. Yeah, we turn it up.
Uy!
Thank you.
Dito tayo. Ay, Diyos ko po. Diyos, Diyos ko. Diyos ko. Diyos ko. Lalagnatin ata ako. Oo guys, ang init. Ang kilikili ni Mama Sarah. Extra rice please. Grabe oh, tingnan. Ang kinis. Parang, ano ba tawag dyan? Parang hindi siya nilalapitan ng germs. Feeling ko pag nagpa-picture tayo, pag yung in person, tapos nagpa-picture tayo sa kanya, magmumukha tayong germs. Pag dumikit sa kanya. Oh my God. Anyway, anong oras na? Diyos ko po, madaling araw na. And I enjoyed this. Guys, magsabi kayo kung sino pang ibang artist bukod kay Mama Sara and kay Darren. Yung may mga ganitong parang mini concert and dance breaks. Kasi enjoy para ihilera natin sila. Alright, thank you for joining me and clap-clap tayo sa performance ni Mama Sara. Nakakapagod, pati parang ako, parang feeling ko napapasayaw ako. Alright, thank you guys. Bye-bye. Peace out.